Hi, today I'm for review OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. You'll see the first section with the live captions. Just to use them, to activate or turn off them, you should use this switcher. Then go back, but here you could see that to use this option I should update my software, so if you get the same situation, just tap here to download. Here we got the silent mode switcher. We could see when the silent mode is activated, the ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. Just to turn it off, click on the switcher once again and our ringtones and notifications, they will ring. Just to activate vibration on ring on silent mode, we should use the switchers. To activate the turn off don't disturb mode, here we should use this switcher. To set the shadow, tap here, and now we could set the start and end time. To allow messages, calls and notifications from many people or apps, you should just do it here. And also we could ring for repeated calls, and to silence media in don't disturb mode. Here we got the media, ringtone and notifications volume panel. So just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots. To change ringtone and notification sound, you should do it here. Let's go back. Here we got the direct audio tuner. We could switch it from the smart to movie, game or music. In haptic and tone section, we could turn them on or turn them off. To activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sound, screenshot sound, deletion and touch sound. So just to use all of these options, we should use the switchers. Go back, and in more section we could switch volume button function from the media to ringtone, and to switch default to recorder from auto select to use peripheral device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and to subscribe our channel.